How do we know how many shelves a particular cabinet type is going to get? That is what this video is going to cover. We first have to have the cut shelves selected and checked. Now to set and determine how many shelves, we're going to go to Tools, then Settings, again verifying that we have the cut shelves for the particular cabinet type we want. For the shelf holes, I do have and am using the script to drill hole sets. That is going to give us 3 sets of holes for every shelf. And we've done that, or I've set that up so we could see how many shelves the cabinet is going to get. So in this version here, we're able to see that it is giving us 2 sets of 3 for a total of 2 shelves. The number of shelves is determined by the spacing between each shelf. So the default setting is 12, and what that means is going to give us enough space or give us enough shelves to have at least 12 inches between each shelf. So if we want more shelves, we need to make that shelf spacing smaller. So I'm going to change that to 6, making that change and clicking Save. We will now see that the hole sets have been multiplied out to where we now have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a total of 5 shelves that are being calculated for this cabinet. So adjusting this shelf spacing is going to affect how many shelves get cut for a particular cabinet type. The depth clearance is how much shallower or how much narrower the shelf depth is to the cabinet width. So we do have a cabinet side here that is measuring 12 inches. That means that we are going to get a shelf that is 1 1/4 less than 12. The side clearance, this is the clearance less the inside width of the cabinet. So if we have a cabinet width that is 30 inches inside the inside, the shelf is going to get cut 0.03 smaller than the inside width of the cabinet. So hopefully this helps clear up and better understands how many and how to calculate how many shelves a particular cabinet is going to get.